So, as recruiters, we have choices of how we want to present ourselves to hiring managers, to candidates, how we're going to basically conduct our business development. Years ago, I read a book by Seth Godin called Permission Marketing. If you haven't read this book yet, I would encourage you to do so. Definitely change my perspective of how I generate leads for my recruiting business. And basically, bottom line is, if you're someone who's constantly pushing your message out to prospective hiring managers, doing cold outreaches through LinkedIn, automated messages, or cold email, you have a much less of an opportunity, less chance to really close a client. That's super annoying to most prospects out there. It's just not a great way to conduct business in 2022 and beyond. The best way to do it is to attract inbound leads, those leads that are following you on a social media platform, that are hearing about you. Maybe you're getting recommended to them. You're doing a podcast, you're doing keynote speaking that you're advertising on LinkedIn, for example. And so these managers, hiring managers are seeing you, they're absorbing your content that you're putting out on LinkedIn every day, and they're raising their hand, coming to you, wanting to know more information. Those are great leads to start building up in your sales pipeline. Let me give you an example of what you should not be doing and what so many recruiters do, and it really drives me nuts. So, and I don't mean any harm to this person that's reaching out to me through these automated messages. But here's an example, right? So when you get a message like this, hey, Russell Liebowitz, how are things going at Recruitemy? I automatically know that this is a variable that's automated for my full name, a variable that's automated for Recruitemy on a platform like Expandy or Duck Soup or Octopus, right? We all know about this. This started, guys, 5 or 6 years ago. These third-party automated LinkedIn tools, they're not a secret anymore, right? And I can sniff this from a mile away, and it continues, right? So the next day, Russell Liebowitz, thanks for connecting. I was curious how many of your customers are coming from social media. And it just goes on, and like, oh my God, look at this one. Like, I have zero desire, actually negative 100 desire to respond back to this person. And again, no offense to you. It's not your fault. You just don't know any better. But there are so many better ways to prospect clients on LinkedIn. And in my opinion, this is a very lazy way of prospecting, and it only tarnishes your brand and your image. Like, it just doesn't give me a good feeling this person really cares about me or knows who I am or wants to learn about me. So if you're doing this kind of stuff, I would tell you, get away from it. It's an old hat strategy. It's time to move on. Now, some of the things that I do, and I'll give you an example, are video marketing, right? And again, video marketing is no secret. I get it. But if done the right way, it is a pull marketing strategy. So here's an example. This gentleman right here, I prospected, sent him a video message personalized for him. Hi, Jerry. I'm Russell Liebowitz. I know that we're now connected on LinkedIn as first degree connections. I see we also have 87 mutual connections here. That tells him that maybe there's some, partnership opportunity here. Oh, by the way, Jerry, I know that's hard for you to find A-player candidates. Well, I'm really good at that, and here's why. I don't use job boards, right? I roll up my sleeves like Jerry Maguire, and I get after it. And I call into companies, and I find those elusive 10% of A-player candidates that have been employed for like 5+ years. They're meeting and exceeding company objectives year over year, and then they're not even thinking about leaving their job. But when they talk to me, they start thinking about it. And so when you leave a video message like that, it's hyper-personalized. It separates you from recruiters. It makes this prospect think, man, this guy's pretty confident. And if you can find me a candidate like that, I would definitely be open to it. So that's the kind of thing that you want to do and prospect. That's the right way to prospect on LinkedIn. And when you do something like that, you get responses like this. I have several open positions, which I'd like to discuss. Great. So I brought him to a Zoom call and I closed them. That's how we do it, guys. So that's a great way of marketing your product if you own a recruiting business, versus these automated tools that just annoy people like you would not believe. Hope that helps, guys.